Hey, are you ready for the... Because today, in honor of the Super Bowl, we're going to play as the Los Angeles Rams. So let's break it down real quick. We've done the Bengals, the Bills, the Green Bay Packers, the Cowboys, the Kansas City Chiefs, and the Arizona Cardinals. And today, it's the Rams. Let's do it. All right, Tampa Tom. Let's go. Shallow cross. We're going to give it to him. Come on, Stafford. There we go, Stafford. Cup. Cooper. All right, hurry up. I want to go fast.
I want to go fast.
We're going inside zone. I'm going to hand it to Akers. That's fine. Keep him on his toes. Keep him on his toes. Hey, we're going to go right back to the shallow cross again. Too high. Let's motion them over. You know how we do it. All right, read the guy over A. There we go. There we go. Read the guy over A. He sits there. You throw it back. Walk Ross. Okay. You saw the one high. Let's run it. You got to press that A gap. You press the A gap, it really works well. You got to press the A gap on inside zone. Go with the shallow cross again. If you can't stop it, keep running it. Ah, yeah. That's fine. Bounce him over. That was good. That could have been dangerous. That could have been dangerous. I'm going with the running back screen. Running back screen. Nope, not doing it. You see it. It's a 5-man box. I'm running it right at him. That's what it's all about. Walk cross. I like walk cross. Hurts. I may have cup. I can't speak. Nope. There it is. What? Stafford. So 4 verts. Hey, this is real life. This is just like real life. That was supposed to be a freaking low ball. Jesus. Drive down the field the entire time. That's okay. That's okay. I keep overshooting the gap. Overshooting it. All right, Tampa 2. There we go. Inside out. Track that near hip. Track the near hip. That's what it's all about right there. Come on. That's fine. That's fine. That's on me. I'm bringing people. Cover 2. There we go. Bring the wood. Keep it up. Tampa 2. Watch Gronk, middle of the field. No. Where's my flat? Why did my flat drop back? Run stretch. I'm taking those knees out, Gronk. I'm not hitting you up high. Put flats on 0 down here because I'm thinking he keeps hitting the flats over and over again. So if I have somebody. See what he does to quads. I think I have Higsby in the flat. Nope. Yeah, dude. That's fine. That's fine. Just drop it off there. Remember, never throw the ball over a dropping defender. Let's go sail. I like the read. Great blocking, guys. Great blocking, Sean. Let's hurry up. I'm slanting him. Right to Coop. Yes, sir. Looks like where the hell did that guy come from? I did not see that guy. You're gonna run shallow cross again. I might be able to take the top off. All right, this is 4 down territories. I think he's running cover 4 again. I'm running it right here. That's fine. Hurry it up. This could be dumb. I don't know. We shall see, though. What in the world? Vita Vey just... What happened? Jump. Let's cover 2. Where's my safety? Wow. Wow. That was bad. Why would I run the eye? Right, let's go wides. 4 verts. When in doubt, 4 verts, right? Really? That's not good. Jesus. He is just destroying them. No wonder. Slant. I cannot see. I lost this game. Woo. All right, maybe we can do a little bit better than we did against Tampa Tom. He wasn't ready to retire. Maybe we can get it with broke feet Carson Wentz. All right, I'm starting out with that, but I'm going with inside zone. I think I got it. Wow, the Rams. Come on, man. What kind of blocking scheme are you running, man? I am going to continue to run the ball. That's what it's all about right there. If they give you that box, you have got to keep running the ball. I'm going 8 shallow again. I gotta take my own advice, man. Keep taking it. I will run inside zone the entire way down there. If he gives me the box, I'm gonna run it. Did he just hit my center to cause me to... Oh my God. Oh, keep your feet. Keep your feet. Keep your feet. Come on. He's gonna have to get out of that. Nice, man. Watch stick. I think I got the backside slant. Woo. Woo. Got it off fast, too. Did you see the audible, though? Stafford just knew where to go. Just knew where to go with the ball. Same thing again. Bounce him over. I think I may have the back to the flat. Damn. Damn. All right, now he's bringing it. He's bringing it. That's right. That's what it's all about right there. go 617. He does the same thing. 617. Stay on your feet. Stay on your feet. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. No, I'm not. Inside zone. Get in there. I'm gonna let it go down, and then I am going to hit up mesh wheel. Got mesh wheel going on. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. That was an 11 play drive for 5 minutes. It's unbelievable. That's fine. Where the hell is my cloud flat? Ooh. Who are you putting in motion? Who are you putting in motion? He's gonna no huddle. Wow, so he's going to one person and one person only. I respect that. I respect that. Gimme. Ramsey. Touchdown. Touchdown. Carson Wentz better not get this. Toxic. Switch it up on him right there. I went cover 2 man audible. He didn't know what to do. I like it. Ramsey. Here we go. Cover the middle field. That's fine. That's fine. Keep dropping it there. Keep dropping it there. I'll be Von Miller. I mean, you just like one person, don't you? You were just dropping it at him all the time. I respect that. Carson Wentz rolling out and he didn't break both of his ankles. Come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah. 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 Thank you. Madden, next time you want to take me out on a date first. Keep it up. Same thing. Yes, sir. You're not getting that. I'm going man. I'm going man. I am still going man. Give it to me. Quit. Quit. You know you want to quit. You know you want to quit. Go ahead, quit. Give me the win. Okay. I respect that. I respect that. For right now. You're gonna. Your butt hurt. Your butt hurt. Just run. I got the bubble. Don't be that guy. I mean, if you're gonna quit, quit. I'm gonna run it. How, man? How? Winner, winner, chicken dinner, baby. Hey, if you like the air raid challenge, you are going to love this video right here.